Hello guys, today we are going to play Assassin's Creed Rogue again, and
While you were
and
busy
in this
taking down
mission
that fort,
we should
I
reach
happened
the
to
captain's
stumble upon the treasury.
cabin
Don't
and
say.
It was the
we need to
damnedest.
upgrade our ship, I guess. No, we can just check our fleet, and there the naval campaign, and we are just exiting the naval. Let's check out what's there. There are just a few mini games which I may skip, and the ship is moving fastly, and there's a mission report success, and we can skip all the other missions, and let's exit the navigation, the fleet, and let's get back to our ship. And here we have to ride this ship.
Colonel
We are here, Shay. That's what our name is, and the mission is in middle of New York and the Rival Valley. So let's travel to the shortest distance, which is the New York. And this takes some time for loading. Let's be patient. And there we go. We have landed here in the New York, and I guess we might go there through ship. Yep, there's our main mission, and I think we should walk or we should get the ship. I can't get it. Let's set the marker and let's travel through the ship. It might be so much easy, and it might be very quicker to travel with a ship. So let's get into our ship.
Captain's at
And
the
let's
helm.
take the wheel. So we are leaving to the North Atlantic, I guess. Yes, we are going to North Atlantic. And here we are, the North Atlantic. And let's see. And again, it's taking time to load. Let's run over here and there. And the machine is in front of us. Let's sail to it. I think it's quite far away. We messed up the location. Where's that? New York fast travel. Yeah, let's zoom in. And where are we? I can't pinpoint my location from here. I think we should travel through the roads, streets, I guess.
Gallants and royals.
And it's right in front of us. I can't get it where I should go. Let's check out another time. And I can't see the mission. Yeah, we have screwed up the location. We have traveled to the another location. We shouldn't have come to North Atlantic. And the mission is at the back of us. Let's turn this ship. It's pretty difficult to turn this big boy.
Get the mainsails into
And
the
I think our ship will sink like this if it was original. And New York, yes, there we should probably get to New York at the first place. We messed up with the location pretty bad. And there's the loading time. These graphs are pretty good. Like when we walk, the graphs increases and decreases. It's pretty fun. And it's taking a lot of time to record, load. And I think we must go to the mission by walking from here to there. It's a pretty long distance to cover with our foot, but let's climb over buildings and let's take a shortcut from here. I guess no, he can't climb from here. Let's see. I think he can't grab over that block. No, it's not possible. Let's go back around. and let's get to the mission. While going to the mission, we'll do some stabbiness. I like to kill people and knife them, and it's a pretty long way to go, so there's no one here to stab. Let's do some stabbiness. Anyone there? Let's climb this wall and let's swim from here. He dives pretty well, I guess. And again guys, I need to remind you that I'm not playing the original game. Means I'm playing by using the mods. I already completed the game first, but I don't remember what to do. And let's do some stabbiness over here. So we killed a wrong person. I don't know that we can kill citizens here. Yeah, that's the stabbiness. And let's make him sleepy and let's kick his butt. And here we are. Let's climb over the building and take the guards. And we need to free someone. Free the soldiers or some pirates, I guess. Let's help them out. Let's do an air assassination. And pretty well done. There's a guy beside the tree. Let's make him a sleep dart. Give him a sleep dart. And pretty well done. Stabbed right in the
I shall
stomach.
be forever grateful to you, sir.
I like helping people, and sorry guys, I can't control myself as I will kill many people during our travel through the mission. So let's be patient and watch the stabbiness. Let's jump onto the rooftops. Wow, this rifle has a good range. The pistols doesn't have the good range this far, but the rifle does. It's good that we can kill guards by making them to go to sleep. And there's no one here. Yep, there's a person. We can't do an air assassination. And let's jump here and let's stab him right. No, let's shoot him. And let's stab him. I like after making them sleep, you dog. And his sleep. And his. But this sleep effect doesn't work on the powerful guards. It may go off very quickly on the powerful guards. And let's take a long cut and kill them without knowing our location. And shoot him in the face. And there we go. Nicely done. And the dog is awake again. Let's kill the dog. No, the dog has run away. You are very intelligent for that sake. And he's down to the sleep. And let's kill him. These guys are pretty annoying to the villagers. And they may be so much noisy. So I am just killing them. And there's a person over there. Let's shoot a citizen. Okay, the citizens also can go to sleep. Nothing happens. And we should kill them pretty fast. Otherwise the sleep effect will wear off. Let's kill him by doing a little air assassination. No, it failed. Let's kick him in the head. And there are many people, guards over the city. So let's kill them. Let's climb this building. And let's see if we can do an air assassination or not. And here, yep, there's a guard on the building. I missed this shot, but the second shot had connected. And let's kill him, stab him right to his stomach. And I think nothing we should do there. Let's leave that side mission. And let's jump over here. And there are some people here, over here. And a new location. See that guy in front of that guy. That guy will. He's very powerful that the sleeping effect will wear off so soon than the normal guys. This awesome. Rifle range is so good. I can shoot people through distances from anywhere. And we do not support the red guys or the orange guys. We just kill both of them. And let's again make him to go to sleep for a longer time. and kick him in the chest, and a good air assassination through the ropes. Nicely done. And there's a guard right over here, just stab him. And I don't like the Berserk rifle, something we call it goes mad. Yep, we are on wanted system. I thought they were guards, and let's shoot him. These guys are pretty tough, so let's. No, he's awake. I think it doesn't work on them, and these guys are very annoying me. They are not giving a chance to shoot with the rifle. Just kill the person, and he's very quick at deflect, and I'm dying. The sleeping darts are not working at all on these guards, so I'm annoyed. Let's shoot them with the pistol. Where's the pistol? Yeah, there we go. There's the pistol, and let's shoot them with the pistol. And let's get here and shoot him with the pistol. Yep, the pistol does very well. And let's get to the Berserk darts. No, it's a sleeping darts. I have mistaken. And they are down. Let's kick them. I don't understand. There's a yellow pinkish mist all over us through the edges. I don't understand what it is, but still it doesn't affect us because we are using trainer and a moth, so we have the plenty of health remaining. I mean infinite health. So there are many guards over here. Let's kill them. I think it might take a while to reach the mission, but just kill all the guards as possible. And they are down as well. Sleeping, making them to sleep and kicking them is pretty good. And we cannot able to be spotted that much easily with using the sleeping darts. So let's climb over all the buildings and let's jump from here. It's a long air assassination, pretty well done, and the guards are drunk. And he just has spotted us, but still they are down for good. When I do a air assassination, the sleeping guards suddenly will wake up and stand for a good air assassination. There's a girl over here. Let's shoot her. No, she's pretty annoying. Let's shoot her. Yes. If you press F, it's a auto aim and it's good. But I like to aim. It's pretty good, I guess. The auto aim is very boring, and just we need to press F and he takes care of all the aiming. And let's get here. There is a guy. What a close range. Shot him right in the head. And this is pretty good. I think they might be still falling. I'm not that much interested to go back and kill them for another chance. Let's head to our mission, and there are only few guys remaining. After that we can finally able to reach our mission, and I think we are almost there. Yeah, let's climb this wall, and yes, the mission has come for last.
Ah, Master Cormac. What you have learned from Le Chasseau is confirmed. The local lawbreakers are changing tactics.
What's their plan now?
Their boss has hired Benjamin Franklin to produce new weapons for them. He's very well guarded.
Benjamin Franklin? The scientist?
You have heard of him? Good. He is making equipment to spread gases among the populace. Toxic ones, as it turns out.
The populace. I thought they would use it against the authorities. Though that would be terrible as well.
The ruffians we have arrested refer to an intimidating woman. I believe she is behind these nefarious plans.
I'll look into this.
Thank you.
Hope. I pray it's not you.
and he tells that Hope, I think it's not you, but it may be Hope, and it is Hope. And let's shoot them right in the face. I think I might be doing a lot more of this, but I like the way of doing this. These girls are pretty annoying, and they are no case for us. Oh, there are many guards, so I can't use the sleeping darts. This guy is always aiming for the wrong person, and there, see, again for the person who's always slept. Let's kick them. I think we might assassinate this. Why are you picking them? Are you mad? Let's kill them. I think no sleepy meeping no more. And this guy is pretty annoying. The SWAT sets I have are pretty powerful for them to deal. And he's down. And all are down here. Let's kill him. And let's make him go to sleep, and let's stab him like that. And there are persons over here. I think we have reached our destination, but still let's finish all of the guards here. Yep, we have been spotted, and some guys just shooting us. Who is that guy? The guy is on the tower. No, I think the distance for range is very less. Yep, now we have done it. Let's climb that, and he's hiding in the bushes just for fun. I'm not intended to hide in the bushes. Let's climb this building and stab him. Wow, that's a pretty good position for him. And we did an air assassination, which is not an air assassination, but still, it's good enough. That guy just rose there like a statue, and this we call as air assassination, a double one. And let's shoot them. This guy's not waiting for any chance to get killed, and we just kill him pretty much. I think the guy must be dead, but still there are a lot more guys here. And these guys are wearing a same outfit as mine. It looks the same in another way. We might get confused. And there's a last one remaining over here. Let's kill him. And 4 of them are down. Let's jump here. Just kicking in the stomach, it's too harmful for them. And we should reach this little thing, shed, and there we go.
Shay, it is good to see you again. Your friend Hope said you were away.
I was. Sir, I've come to collect the results of your experiments.
Oh, well, it's a very good thing then. I just finished fixing the prototype. Here you go. I was preparing to leave for Philadelphia and then Europe. I was invited to lecture in London. Oh, would you be so kind as to inform Mistress Hope?
Yeah, of course. God, Hope. What are you doing with these felons? Turning the city against itself. What have you become?
Something the matter, Master Cormac?
No. Yes, just old memories.
When I am issued new recruits burdened with regrets, I tell them the surest way to lose them is with gunpowder.
You're right, Colonel.
And as I expected, it was Hope. And first we discover Ash to kill all the guards, and he talks very nicely to us, that chemist.
Our intelligence
He says, "Hey,
this
Shay,
thing can destroy
I can't take
certain
it anymore."
fortifications, as well as injure several enemies at once. There is also
And
a more subtle
what's
way.
this?
Some
I
of these
have
grenades
forgotten
contain
what to do
small
here.
sections. Fire one into the crowd
Just
and you will fall
take it.
asleep immediately. We should test this new weapon. Use
Okay.
it against that door.
What we must do, I'm not understanding. And guys, I think
Use these grenades to
we should
destroy
not
that
rifle it. We should rifle it with some sleep bombs, sleep grenades, and we have berserk grenades, and something we call
Use
the other.
these grenades to destroy that door.
I think we use the sleep grenade. A grenade which blows it, but I guess we have screwed up this time, and my mouse is not working.
Go ahead, Master Cormac. Shoot the door.
And yes, I can't, I'm not able to select the particular item. My mouse is screwed up. And can we select just by tapping the number keys?
Go ahead.
I
Master
guess we
Cormac,
need to
shoot
do
the
the all scrolling thing. We should destroy that gate, shut doors, and there's a berserk.
Use
No,
these
it's a
grenades
just
to
a
destroy that
berserk dart. Now, let's see. Just make him shut up. I'm trying to figure out what to do. Yes, there we go.
Good work. I think you are ready to
And-
turn this new weapon against the ruffians who would have used it.
I think
There
we
is an abandoned
have
factory
no ammo.
with a dangerous poison. Right now, it only causes sleep. But I hear those outlaws are still
Oh, just we wasted the another.
sick.
And there's a berserk, I
That's my
guess.
first target.
No, it's a sleep grenade again. My mouse is pretty much screwed up, so that I can't select a particular thing. And just we need to complete the objectives by sabotage the poison supplies. That's our objective. And berserk grenade, just let me fix the mouse. My scroll is not working properly. I'm too rough that I select the first one, it goes to the second one, and let's kill this girl. She's pretty annoying as well. Oh, she just stabbed right in our heart. And this guy's, yup, she's dead. I can't figure out what to do. This pink color mist is freaking me out. And as I told you, I like killing the guards. And let's get to the supplies, poison supplies. We must destroy them. And there are people over here. Again we switch to the sleeping darts. Wow, that was a air assassination in another way. Oh, he was a citizen. I can't climb here. Let's climb this building from the right side of it.
No business up here.
And he's down for the count. The optional objectives is
Why mess
we
with
need
this?
to kill,
Maybe
uh,
I can break the whole
get the
system.
guards to sleep with one single sleeping grenade, and we need to make 10 guards to go to sleep. And there's a wall over here. Oh shit, we have lost all our grenades which destroys rather than the berserk grenade and the sleep grenades. Oh shit. Let's use the pistol for a short time. And I think we can't bomb it with this pistol thing. Shrapnel grenades, I think that's what we call. And that's a good air assassination. There's a guard right in front of us, and he's down for the count. There's a guard over here. No, we are too late to aim for that. Yep, he's down. Let's kill him. And I think we can't do anything with the shrapnel grenades
Place will blow
as we
up.
lost all of them. And I don't know how to recharge it.
The whole place will blow up.
Hey, what are you doing here?
You there. Come over here.
The whole place will blow up.
I'm not understanding what to do. I'm just killing people. And I'm thinking what to do. So I didn't talk for too long there. And I think we can't activate anything. Let's do something like this. No, we can't shoot it. I think I don't know how to regain it. We can't use the smoke grenades. I don't know what to do. And I think just we must restart the memory. And there are still guards here. I'm just trying to figure out what to do. And we are 0 for it. And let's kill the guards and figure out what will happen next. What we should do. These guards are pretty annoying. Next time onwards, I'll just stab them.
Boy, move!
And I think we are losing our health. I just deactivated the infinite health. And let's reload this mission. And we are desynchronized. I'm not getting how to figure out how to reload our weapons. I just got to do something, but I can't figure it out. And again we are here. And we are out of the shrapnel grenades again. So I think we must just restart the memory. Yes, just restart. I am sorry guys for this. And I guess we need to play this thing quicker this time. A lot quicker. So again there's the story. Let's skip it.
What you've
As you already seen it, so I guess there's not much time to see the whole story again. And I just had figured out to get the infinite grenades, infinite berserk grenades, sleep grenades, and what we call them, shrapnel grenades. So let's do this thing and let's do our thing for infinity.
Been working on.
Not sure, but it sounds explosive. The boss
So
really
I
wants
think
Franklin
we
Tracy.
can't just open the door. Just we should become anonymous. And let's kill all the guards to become that. Shooting with the pistol makes it pretty fast. So let's do it. I can still assassinate with them with the swords, but still to make this quicker, I'm just using that. And we have just interacted. And let's skip this.
This
And
prototype seems powerful.
now let's activate the
Use it
mods.
with care, Mr.
It
Cormac.
takes 5
Our
seconds.
intelligence says
To activate
this
it.
thing can destroy certain fortifications.
And there we go.
Some of these grenades
All are
contain
activating.
sedatives. Fire one into the crowd and they will fall
So,
asleep.
oh, there are ammo crates
We should
here.
test this now.
I'm so dumb.
Use it against
I
that
don't
group.
know shit. They were on the buildings where the poison supplies were there too. So I just didn't use them.
Go ahead, Master Cormac.
Sorry guys, I messed this up very badly. And although we can't refill again, so as we have infinite, so the picks will go to the berserk mode
There's an
too.
abandoned factory
And again, I'm so sorry guys that I can't remember that we can use ammo crates to refill our grenades. And this picks up becoming berserk, and as we use sleep grenades too. So as you can see guys, there are 99 of the sleep grenades, shrapnel grenades and the berserk grenades. And let's do this quick. As we know what to do, let's stab everyone who annoyed us the last time pretty much. And let's check out the optional objectives, and as we remember they are the same. So there are no 3 guards at same one location, so it might take some time, or we must lure all the guards at one single position. It might be tough and lot of time taking. See, it's pretty good by using the sleep grenades, but its aim is so faulty. I guess we can't make them to sleep at one single sleep grenade. And let's make them to sleep and just stab them.
You there. Come over here.
And they just spotted us, and we are luring them just to kill them. No, they are just escaping that. So I think it might take more time to make all the guards, 3 guards to sleep at a single time, and with using a single sleep grenade. And there are people shooting us. And there are guys. I'm figuring out what weapon I should use against these guys, because I'm done with the sleeping darts. So let's use a different weapon. And we have used the sleep grenades. Yep, it's pretty good now. All are going to sleep. I think we just need to stab them or kick him in the face. So I'm just figuring out what to do. So let's go with the sleeping darts again, because it's pretty good, and it takes less time to do that. And someone is also stabbing us right in our face and in our chest. So I activated some of the mods, but still there are some guys who are still shooting us. Yep, we have figured it out. There's a guy from long range and he's done for the sleeping. Let's get there and kill him. No, yeah, the good headshot forever. And I'm just figuring out, destroyed one of the poison's supplies. Okay, we can bomb them like this too, it's pretty good, but I'm not doing it. I will just kill them. So let's kill him. Nice headshot. I like to make headshots with the pistol because it goes into slow motion and it goes into super crazy mode. And there are 2 guys over here. Let's I think this is pretty good tactic. Means we can kill a lot members like this by using the sleeping darts and with the what we call the pistols. It's pretty good. And let's destroy the another poisons suppliers. Let's get onto this building and let's jump over here. It's right beneath us. And let's select to the shrapnel grenades, or what we call, I can't say it, so damn that thing. And we can also put the gas mask, and yes, we can destroy this too. It's pretty good shot from here. And this is the poison, but we are not going to be affected. And there's a warning about killing the citizens, but I don't care, and I just keep on killing them. And we are pretty much done with this mission, I guess. There's only one more poison supplies. Let's kill him.
Why mess with this?
Let's assassinate this bad boy here. Oh, it's my wish whether doing it or not. So finally we need to destroy the last thing. It's taking me more time, and from the next mission I'll make sure to make it quickly because we have unlocked all the things. And there we go.
You there. Come over here.
Yep, he's down for the count. And there's the last one remaining. I think we need to get down to shoot this bad boy. No, we can't do that. Let's get down and shoot it.
Must get out, or I'm as good as
And
dead.
we have 40 seconds to escape this mess.
Your life is almost.
And I'm just going to increase the timer. Yes, there we go, 2 minutes 30 seconds. It's pretty good. And let's finish all of the guards. And again we are on the count of the stabbiness. Stabby. And there are 2 guys over here. They are just posing and right in the face. And there are many guys, so it's hard to make them sleep all at once. So let's take them. Oh, there are still persons over here. I think we have been affected by the poison, so he's behaving very oddly. And I think we are almost done. Again we have increased the timer, and I think we can't kill him, so he's dead already. And just this guy, we have big spots and he's just punching in our face. What does he think of himself? And I think we are done with the mission, just escaping. And yes guys, we have finally done this by destroying the poison supplies. And who? This was the biggest mission ever.
What marvelous destruction, Captain. I saw the smoke all the way from the Morrigan.
That should discourage those miscreants. New York is safe for now.
With all due respect, Colonel, it's going to take more than a few explosions to get rid of this kind of trouble.
The boy is right, Colonel Monroe.
Shay, was it? Congratulations. You just burned a whole lot of rats out of New York. I'm Jack Weeks. This is William Johnson. I don't know about him, but I'm pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
It is, terribly dusty here. I'm sure Shay can recount his adventures to us over a pint. Hey, the first round's on, the Colonel, huh?
Something the matter, Master Cormac?
Just a little confused. I must have breathed some of that gas.
Some ale will do you good. Come, we are all friends here. We'll be taken care of.
So guys, thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Bye guys, see you next time.